Think of Twitter as your day-to-day communication tool. It's the same voice you use when chatting to your video viewers, but more importantly, it gives you the ability to listen to people. And us humans love to feel like we're getting heard. Twitter is a great place to promote your YouTube videos. Think of it less as a place for you, but another opportunity for your viewers to get to know you. Here are 15 ways to promote your YouTube videos on Twitter that will grow your channel. Number 1, don't post your videos. Wait, what? Isn't that the whole point though? Unfortunately, social media channels don't like YouTube at all because they want to keep people on their platforms so they can make some more money. Pasting a link to your videos will get way less of a reach as a result, which moves us on to what to do instead. Number 2, video upload strategy for Twitter. Think of your videos as a movie. A movie goes to the cinema first, it has trailers that advertise it then goes to download where people can watch when they like, and then TV, which repeated a whole bunch of times. YouTube is your cinema, and your latest release is a movie. Make short trailers for your latest release and upload them to the Twitter platform. You can tell them to go to your channel in the content itself to avoid a poor reach. Your older videos are the on-demand films. You can keep posting old trailers to try and drive people to your YouTube, or you can upload the whole video to Twitter, but be mindful that the max length for this is currently 2 minutes 20. You can then move on to your TV releases. This is for when you're short on time. You can upload the links from your old YouTube videos in an attempt to drive more traffic to them, but you'll have to accept you're going to have to take a hit. It's not the best strategy, but sometimes you'll have no other choice. Number 3, tweet often. Twitter is fast-paced. Your message can easily get lost in a sea of posts, so unlike the other platforms, you really have to post a lot. Buffer advises 14 posts a day, but let's not get carried away. Start small, find out what works for you, and then spend the time upping your game. Number 4, hashtags. Hashtags are a way to put your video into searchable categories. You've only got a limited amount of characters on Twitter, so use them wisely. Twitter recommends 2 hashtags per tweet. Make sure they're relevant to your content and research, which might be the best option. You can use tools like Hashtagify, or you can search for your top hashtags, find the best performing posts, and see how they used their hashtags. Number 5, channel hashtags. This probably won't have much impact to start, but giving your own channel and videos a unique hashtag which appears in every video will eventually start conversations. We've got one here. Encourage people in your videos to ask you questions on Twitter using that hashtag. The long-term vision is to turn Twitter into your own forum where people search the hashtag, find your videos, but also the help you're providing. This will generate more reach and help promote your videos, but it's not a quick win. Number 6, listen. A great conversation is not one-sided. We can't talk at people and expect them to feel like they're part of the conversation. Use Twitter to listen to people who have an interest in your niche. Search relevant hashtags and comment on their posts. Make your promotion a two-way conversation to create the best connection and develop more views. Number 7, say thank you. We recently reached out to a Twitter expert and asked if there was one thing and only one thing we should do to succeed on Twitter, what would it be? His answer was to thank everyone personally who connects with you or likes your comments. Now, you can automate this, but it won't feel like you're making them part of the conversation, and we know that's bad from point 6. A simple thanks for the following is the basic. If you check their profile and see they are posting similar content to you or something you can help them with, then leave them some feedback and get a chat going. It'll pay off dividends. Even tagging the people who like your posts and thanking them for that will help with reach and engagement. But more importantly, they'll make your followers feel heard. Number 8, tag. If in your video you mention a brand or a person who's on Twitter, then tag them in the post, let them know you've included their awesome article in your video, or thank them for inspiring you to create it. They'll love feeling valued and heard, and it will create a stronger Twitter bond and further your reach. Number 9, promote your Twitter on YouTube. Because Twitter is your conversation platform, you want to let your YouTube viewers know where you are to talk to them. Make sure you link to your Twitter in your video, in the description, and on your main channel page. These are the people who are most likely to want to communicate with you and share your content, so don't leave them out. Number 10, ask questions. There's no better way to make people feel part of your channel than to reach out and ask them what content they'd like you to make. They'll feel valued and you'll make a video you know will be a hit. Twitter is a great platform to do just this. When the video's made, you can tag the people who asked the question and give them one heck of a personal experience, which is bound to drive those retweets. Number 11, follow your peers. By now, you should have gotten the message that Twitter is more about other people than it is your own videos. Follow the people within your niche who are producing videos on similar topics, comment on them, and share them. You'll provide extra value to your followers, and theirs will notice you too. It could even open the door to collaborations, and that is a great thing. Number 12, link in bio. It's basic, but make sure your channel link is in your Twitter bio so people can always easily find you. This is going to be the easy link to point out. Number 13, tweet more than videos. Your videos are going to be fantastic content for Twitter, but you won't always have the time to upload, and your followers will want different types of content too. Share links from other creators, photos from your day-to-day life, and GIFs and memes to keep your channel lighthearted and fun. Share links from other creators, photos from your day-to-day life, and GIFs and memes to keep your channel lighthearted and fun. Number 14, hijack the news. The top trending list on Twitter is an engagement goldmine. If you can react to what's trending fast enough with unique content that challenges the status quo or puts your opinions out on it, you'll pick up traction fast. The majority of people use Twitter as a news site. It's the fastest way to stay up to date. If any news that affects your niche breaks, jump on the hashtag and craft the message to resonate with your audience. Number 15, Twitter Media Studio. And we've saved the best to last here. Media Studio allows you to add calls to actions to your videos. It allows you to put in descriptions, schedule your posts, and it looks like this. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at all that real estate. There's no doubt that Twitter can and will help you grow your channel, but there's also plenty of other options available, and we're going to be making videos on them anytime now, so make sure you subscribe to check them out. Otherwise, watch this video here to learn the secret equation to ensure that you make the best possible YouTube videos.